Morning children. We have completed our first lesson. I have given you all the notes in the WhatsApp group. Everybody completed. Yes, I have given question answers. 3 question answers. Fill in the blanks. Match the following. True or false. Yes, everybody did you all write it? Now today I am going to explain you the next lesson. What is our next lesson? The solar system. What is our next lesson children? The solar system. Yes, you have learnt it in the previous class also. Everybody have learned the solar system. What is the solar system? We have all the 9 planets. Sun and its 9 planets is known as solar system. Yes, the solar system is an exciting place. It is made up of 8 planets. Their moon and the sun. Their moons and the suns. The planets and their moons revolve around the sun. Yes, see how the planets are moving around the sun. Yes, you all know this. See, the sun. The sun is a whole ball of gases. What do you say sun as? Sun is a whole hot ball of gases. Yes, there would be no light. Without sun, can we have a light? No, we can't stay without sun. We have no light. Yes, without sun, we have no light, no warmth, no water, no plants. Yes, with sunlight only plants prepare their food. Yes, with sunlight only the water goes up and comes down. Water cycle takes place. Yes, without sun, all this does not happen. There is no world without the sun. Yes, the earth and the other planets in the solar system spin around the sun in their orbits only because the other planets would be simply fly off. Yes, earth and the other planets, yes, they spin around their own orbit. అంటే వాటి ప్లేస్లలో వాటికి ఉన్న కరెక్ట్ షేప్లో లైన్లోనే అవి రొటేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి సన్ చుట్టూ. Yes, they spin around the sun. Now you see Mercury. What is the first planet children? We have 8 planets. Yes, Pluto, they removed Pluto, no? Now they gave you 8 planets. What are the 8 planets? Mercury, M-E-R-C-U-R-Y, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets. In the before classes you have learned 9 planets, but now the Pluto is not found. It has fallen out. So now they are not saying you 8. Now we have only 8 planets existing. Yes, Pluto is not being seen. See, now I am going to explain you about Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet. Which is the smallest planet children? Mercury is the smallest planet. It is close to the sun. Yes, it is very close to the sun. As Mercury is very close to the sun, it is very hot because sun is look like a fireball. Yes, it looks like a fireball. It is very hot. Mercury is also very hot. As it is close, there is no air also near in the Mercury. It is the least seen of all planets. Yes, Venus. Now second one is Venus. Mercury is the smallest planet and it is very hot because it is just beside the sun. Sun tarvatane Mercury first planet. Okay. Now Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. Venus is the second planet. Which is the second planet children? Venus. Venus is the second planet in the solar system. It is hottest and brightest of all the planets. Yes, it is very bright. You can see Venus after sunrise or sunset. Venus is almost completely carbon dioxide and there is no oxygen at all. Yes, in Venus planet we have only carbon dioxide air present. In Mercury we does not have any air. But in Venus we have carbon dioxide, but no oxygen. Yes, the temperature you see 400 degrees centigrade. Yes, for 30 degrees only we are feeling so hot. If you feel it is 400 means how it will be? It is very very hot. So it is definitely not a place anyone would visit. Kada? In the hot unte ikkade in the vedi vedi antunnam manam. Kada? 400 degrees ante evaraina vellagalama anduloki mana? No, we can't even go there. Photos that have come from spacecraft have revealed a landscape with volcanoes on Venus. Yes, we have many volcanoes on Venus. Volcanoes means very hot lava bursts from it. And the third planet is Earth. Yes, we live on the Earth. On which planet we live? We live on which we are living. That is the planet Earth. Yes, Earth is surrounded. It is a planet of universe that support life. Yes, Earth is the only planet that support life. It has all the gases on it. See the different layers of the Earth. Can you see here, children? See how many layers does the Earth have? The middle layer of the Earth is known as core. And the second layer, orange color layer, can you see it? It is known as mantle. And the last layer is known as crust. Can you see this, children? Yes, can you see? See the white color layer, first layer is called as core. C-O-R-E, core. And the orange color layer is known as mantle. The last layer, crust. Have you seen the different layers of the Earth? Earth has divided into three main layers. The mantle, the crust and the core. Yes, the outer layer of the Earth is called crust. Yes, see Earth is here, no? It is divided into three layers, children. Yes, the first layer is known as crust. C-R-U-S-T, crust. Yes, and the next layer, this layer is known as mantle. M-A-N-T-L-E, mantle. Yes, and the middle layer, this is known as core. Yes, Earth is divided into three main layers. When cracks developed in the Earth crust, some of the molten material came out. Over a period of time, it formed mountains and valleys. Between the outer crust, the inner core and the inner core, there are layers of rocks, minerals and metals in the solid form. Yes, between these two, between the inner core and crust, between this core and crust, there is a middle layer where we have minerals, rocks, metals. Okay, this layer is called mantle. What is this layer called? Mantle. Now the fourth planet is Mars. What is the fourth planet, children? Mars. In Mars also we have no oxygen. We have no oxygen. Carbon dioxide is the only gas present in Mars. Yes, even Venus also have only carbon dioxide. Even in Mars also we have only carbon dioxide. For that sake, people who travel in the space, they carry oxygen cylinders with them. Because there is no oxygen. It is very very cold. So you cannot expect life to exist there. Mars is also called as red planet. Mars is also called as red planet. It is very cold in the Mars planet. Okay children, now Jupiter. Jupiter is a giant planet. Which is the largest planet, children? Jupiter. Smallest is Mercury. The largest is Jupiter. And Mars is known as a red planet. Yes, it is the biggest planet in the solar system. It is made up of gas, mostly hydrogen. What is present in Jupiter planet? Hydrogen gas is present. Yes. Now Saturn. Yes, Saturn. Which is the sixth planet, children? Saturn is the sixth planet in the solar system. Which is the sixth planet? Saturn is the sixth planet in the solar system. The most obvious thing about it is is the rings. The rings look solid but are actually made up of chunks of ice and dust all flailing around the planet. Yes? Now Saturn is also made up of hydrogen gas. Saturn is also made up of hydrogen gas. Jupiter lo kuda hydrogen gas, Saturn lo kuda hydrogen. Venus and Mars are filled with carbon dioxide. Earth is filled with all gases. Now the next one is Uranus. The seventh one is Uranus. Uranus is a bluish Uranus, children. Uranus is a blue planet, you see, children. Uranus is a blue planet. Okay, it is covered. It is the third largest planet. Yes, it is the third largest planet in the solar system. It is covered with the thick layer of blue-green gas. Yes, it is covered with the thick layer of blue-green gas. Now the last one is Neptune. The eighth one is Neptune. Yes, Neptune looks very much like Uranus. It is very cold planet and appears bluish in the night sky. It is the farthest from the sun. Yes, Uranus is farthest, last kada, sun ki dooranga untadi, and it looks bluish in the night. Okay, children, did you follow the planets? Yes. Moon, a natural satellite. A natural satellite is a heavenly body that revolves around the planet. Moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth. Some planets have many moons. Yes, yes, these planets have many moons rotating towards it. But Earth has only one natural planet. Yes, that is Moon. Now we are going to learn about Moon. Yes. Moon, the Earth only natural planet, accompanies the Earth on its journey. The astronauts has landed on the Moon in 1969. Yes, the astronaut. Astronaut ante evaru? The man who goes into the space. Who studies about the space is astronomer. Who goes into the space is known as astronaut. Yes, when did the astronaut launched into the moon, on the moon in 1969. Yes, and they found that the 2 inches of the moon is filled with the dust. The layer, 2 inches layer of the moon is filled with the dust, and it also has thousands of holes called craters. It also has thousands of holes called craters. They were formed when meteoroids hit the surface of the moon and made dents in it. There are also different types of rocks on the moon. Yes, we find different types of rocks on the moon. There is no air at all on the moon. Yes, these planets have carbon dioxide. Yes, but there is nothing air present in the on the moon. It is very quiet place because sound cannot travel without air. Yes, there is very quiet. The moon place is very quiet because if there is no air, we can't hear any sound. On the moon, you would weigh only 1/6 of what you weigh on the earth. This is because the moon's gravity is 1/6 of the earth gravity. Yes, మీ వెయిట్ కంటే ఎంత తక్కువ వెళ్ళిపోతారు మీరు? 6 times తక్కువ చూపిస్తుంది మూన్ పైన మీ వెయిట్. आपका वजन 6 times कम दिखता मून पे, because moon artificial satellite. Moon is the natural satellite, children. Artificial satellites are those that are sent by the astronomers, are launched by the astronomers. Sputnik is the first launched by Russia. Yes, which is the first artificial satellite? Sputnik. Sputnik, sorry. NIK, it was launched in 1957. Yes, it is launched by the space by Russia. Now Aryabhatta is the satellite that was launched by India. See here the different satellites we have. See, Bhaskara, INSAT, all these are artificial satellites that are sent into the space. Artificial satellites, what are the uses of artificial satellites? Why do they send? Yes, communication satellites make instant global communication possible. They enable us to see live programs on our TV sets. Yes. Their GPS help us to find the location of places on the mobile phones. It helps us in navigation. Weather satellites take pictures of movements of clouds and help in weather forecasting. Yes, these satellites help us in watching televisions, locating. Yes, these artificial satellites vallane manam GPS use chestunaru kada ippudu andaru global positioning system. Yes, mobile phones and weather satellites. Some satellites are sent for seeing the movements of the clouds. Yes, space. Yuri Gagarin was the first man to go into the space, and Valentina Tereshkova became the first woman to go into the space. Yes, children, Yuri Gagarin was the first man, and Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman who went into the space. And Neil Armstrong was the first man who landed on the moon. Who are the women? Who are the people who went into the space? Our Indians. Rakesh Sharma. See, here they are showing you. Rakesh Sharma. These are the Indians who went into the space. Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams. All these are our Indians who went into the space. Did you all follow the lesson? Yes, Sunita Williams holds records as she stayed 6 months in the space. Yes. Okay children, with this we have completed our lesson. I am going to send you hard words, question answers, choose the correct answers, fill in the blanks in the WhatsApp group. Everybody first learn first lesson question answer, full bits children. All the bits and question answers. Okay.